Hi guys, welcome to the next episode of Mrac Angler Chronicles. Today, basically, apologies for such a long delay in my posts. To all those subscribers, I thank you for staying subscribing to my channel. As usual, it's been a hectic and busy few months. But nevertheless, I'm here today. Today I'm just going to do an unboxing for you, something that I think might be useful for you as anglers lah. You know, sometimes when we are out fishing, we might need some tool to cut a line or to gut a fish, and basically many other stuff lah. And then does it ick or doesn't irritate you when you need to do something and you don't have the tool for it? And then you realize, oh, I should have brought a scissors, or I should have brought a plier, or I should have brought a knife, you know. But today, what I'm unboxing today is something that I think might be useful to all the fellow anglers out there. Today I'm unboxing the Gerber multi-tool. It's a small one. It's a small Gerber multi-tool. Right. They have bigger ones lah, but this is a small one, and I don't like to carry big bulky tools because it adds on to the weight, so I prefer something small. So today I'm gonna unbox this and see how it might be applicable to your fishing hobby. So basically, the model is called Dime. They have 3 colors. I got the green color one. They got green, black, and red. Right? There are 12 tools inside this, supposedly. So let's check it out. Without further ado, let's do an unboxing of this Gerber Dime multi-tool. Gerber Dime multi-tool. Check it out. Can't focus. Focus. Alright, let's dive into the close-up. See you guys. Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing of the Gerber. My battery is flattering soon, so let's quickly unbox this without further ado. What the box looks like and stuff. Let's take out this thing. Comes up. Interesting. Instructions. Oh, super small. Very nice. Small and cute. Let me get this out. These are scissors. There you go. Alright, so guys, so this is a tool. I know you guys can see it. Very nice tool. So as I mentioned, it comes up. This is a box opener. So box. It also has a scissors. Yes, these are scissors. Scissors is good. Very strong spring-loaded scissor. Okay, you can cut your lines with this easily. And this is a 30-pound nylon line. And you can cut. Very strong spring. It also has this screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and also a file and star head screwdriver. So you can use. I think this part you can open bottles using this as well. Last but not least, let's show you a knife box cutter. Oh yeah, last but not least, if you never check properly, it also has a tweezer. Yeah, concealed over here, nicely concealed. Yep. So that's what it. Nice and compact, and it has this ring for you to hang it in your lanyard, no, belt, keychain. Super compact. Wait, how much does it weigh? Check it out. Check it out. It weighs 66.7 grams. It's not bad. It's not that light. It's not that light. Makes you feel confident in having this. So there you go. The Gerber Dime. Compact, a useful multi-tool for all the anglers out there. Not only just if you are outdoor, you like to go trekking, you know. Okay, but I think this is really good for anglers. You know, sometimes you need to tighten some screws on your bait caster or your spinning reel. You got this as well. Say you need to cut or gut a fish, you also have. You can use either this or this. This is the knife. Cut. And of course, open water. I think you can use this. This is actually a bottle, can bottle opener. And for the, you know, you want to cut. Let's say you caught a catfish. You want to cut the stingers off. This, you got this. Gerber Dime multi-tool. I think one of the best multi-tool in this size. Yep, that's about it. Let's go back to the main camera. See you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the main camera. There you go. The Gerber. Oh, you can focus this. Yeah, that's a Gerber. Small, compact, beautiful. I love the compactness. I love the color. But there are three colors. If you don't like green, you can have black. You can have and black and red. This part is red. I love green, so I chose this color instead. Gerber Dime. Right. So yeah, as mentioned before, it has a few other uses. It's a multi-tool for goodness sake. Of course, it has a few other uses. So here's that plier. In case you can't see it that well in the earlier camera shot, then of course you can close it back. And this thing is built solid. It's not like some flimsy Chinese made stuff. I'm sure this is made in China, but this is the quality control for this is good. The springs are solid. The scissors, you can cut stuff. I already showed you how I cut the line just now. So solid stuff. There's the scissors, and the spring is quality spring. You can feel the toughness. Yeah. And then of course, if let's say you already the screws on your bed caster, like something came off you need to screw in stuff, and you got this flat head screw. You can screw in, and if it's a star headed screw, you can use this. It serves as a fingernail file as well. Yep. Then of course, one of my favorite feature of this is this. This is a box cutter, parcel opener basically, right? So so basically you open the tip on the box using this, right? Now of course, if you need a knife, of course, what is a multi-tool without a knife? They've got a knife for you as well. A drop point knife. And other than that, of course, they'll show you where the tweezer is. I'll show you where the tweezer is. Can you find the tweezer? It's right here, so you can actually pull it off using your fingernail. There you go. See the tweezer? Let's say you are out in the field, somebody got stung by a bee or something, you need to take something out, or you got a splinter. Yeah, you got a splinter, you need to get it out. Look at this. Okay, and it's slotted in nicely over here. Oops. Beautifully concealed. Not many multi-tool of this size has a tweezer in it. The only what I remember, I think the Swiss Army knife, the small size one, they have a tweezer inside. This is the other one that I have found so far that has a tweezer in. included. Yep. And of course this is the I think this is a bottle opener. Can open bottles using this. So there you go, Gerber Dime. Right. So if you're interested in getting one of these, I'll post the link down in the comment section, and feel free to check it out. Alright. And as usual, I always review things that I think is beneficial and good, and I believe is good in terms of quality and use in an application. So I think this receives a big thumbs up for me. And yeah, it's a bit pricey. I bought this for like $50, $50 for small, but it's quality. Yeah, it's quality multi-tool, small size and compact. Right. So if you, yeah, as I mentioned, if you like to have, if you would like to purchase something like this, I'll put a link in the comments or in the description of this video below. Alright. Without further ado, if there's nothing else, if you have any questions, feel free to the questions down in the comment section. And as usual, if you like the content that I bring to you, feel free to subscribe and press the like button below. Until then, I don't know until till when. Yeah, I don't know when the next video is gonna be, but stay tuned. Keep subscribing. Don't unsubscribe. Stay tuned. I'm sure since I'll post some interesting stuff for you to view. Alright. Till then, guys. Thanks. The next time. Bye.